Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error message when you're browsing on the web. This is your browser does not support the audio element. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So it doesn't really matter which web browser you're on or having this problem with. You want to just right click on the browser tab that you're having the problem with, and where it says unmute tab, go ahead and select that option and then see if that resolves the problem. Something else we can try here as well, make sure your system tray sound is turned up here. So make sure your audio is working. And if you close out of here and you open up the search menu and search for settings, best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now you want to select on the right side where it says sound, and then select on your speaker output device listed under here. You want to select where it says check for driver updates, and then check for updates and see if there's anything that are found, in which case then you would go ahead and download them and install them onto your computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.